Hello friends, welcome to my Indian polity most important MCQ series for all government exams and general knowledge purpose. So this is me, Emmanuel. I am the one who is presenting this course. I have done my BE in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Let us straight away go to the first question of the series. Which of the following word is not included in the preamble of the Constitution of India? So as you people know, preamble is the heading of our constitution. So which word is not included in this preamble is the word dignity is not nowhere mentioned in our preamble. So the second question is which of the following states is not included in the sixth schedule of Indian constitution? So the answer is Mizoram. So third question, who among the following appoints Attorney General of India? So Attorney General of India is appointed by President. So the Attorney General of India, you know that he is the legal officer of the central government or union government, law officer. So next is fourth question, which among the following articles defines the money bill? So money bill is defined by Article 110. Option A is right answer. So what is the maximum life of an ordinance promulgated by the President of India? So President can issue ordinances in emergency situations when the parliament is not working. So the life of an ordinance is only 6 months. Afterwards, it has to be passed by both the houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, to make it a legal law. So next question is sixth. Controller and Auditor General, that is CAG of India, acts as a chief accountant and auditor of the both union government and state government. See, Controller and Auditor General will audit the accounts of state government as well as central government, and these CAG will submit his report to the Public Account Committee, and that Public Account Committee will finally show the scams. So next question is seventh. So the Supreme Court of India tenders legal advice to the President of India when President needs it. See, Supreme Court can give advice to the President, but when President needs it. So if Supreme Court is giving advice to the President, so the Supreme Court advice is not binding on the President. Please remember this, okay? It is very important. Who among the following is the final interpreter and guardian of Indian Constitution? See, wherever the oppressive governments wants to change the constitution completely, then Supreme Court acts as a guardian and custodian of constitution. So therefore, the final interpreter and the guardian of Indian Constitution is Supreme Court. That is our judiciary. So ninth question, for how much time a person who is not a member of either houses of parliament can also be appointed as a minister? See, only Lok Sabha member and Rajya Sabha member are elected to the parliament, we know, okay? But so if he is not the member of both the houses, then also we can elect him as a member, but only for 6 months. So the answer is for only 6 months we can appoint him or elect him. Next question is question number 10. Which of the following union territories has no representation in Rajya Sabha? So the answer is Andaman and Nicobar Union Territories has no representation in the Rajya Sabha. Okay, this is about the course. We have finished 10 more questions from this. Wait for next questions. I'll be uploading soon. Thank you.